What does building the future mean? The evolution of construction and city planning. How technology, sustainability, and innovation are shaping the future. 2. Smart cities. The future of urban living. 3. 2 for minutes. AI-powered traffic control and energy-efficient buildings. The role of IoT Internet of Things in managing smart cities. Examples: Singapore, Dubai, and Songdo, South Korea. 3. Sustainable architecture and green buildings. 3. 2 for minutes. Eco-friendly materials: bamboo, recycled steel, carbon-neutral concrete, solar panels, green roofs, and energy-efficient skyscrapers. The future of net-zero energy buildings. 4. 3D printing and robotics in construction. 3. 2 for minutes. How 3D printed houses are revolutionizing home building. The use of robotic construction workers for efficiency and safety. Case study: Dubai's 3D printed office and NASA's plans for space habitats. 5. The future of transportation infrastructure. 3. 2 for minutes. Hyperloop, self-driving highways, and smart bridges. How AI and automation will change public transport. The role of electric charging roads for EVs. 6. Space colonization and future habitats. 3. 2 for minutes. The possibility of building cities on Mars and the Moon. How 3D printing and AI will be used in space construction. SpaceX, NASA, and private companies working on future space habitats. 7. The role of AI and automation in future construction. 3. 2 for minutes. AI-driven architecture and automated planning. How drones and autonomous machines are improving safety. The use of digital twins for real-time building simulations. 8. The challenges building the future. 3. 2 for minutes. Environmental concerns and sustainability issues. Economic and political challenges of futuristic infrastructure. Ethical considerations. Who controls smart cities? 9. Conclusion and final thoughts. 1 to 2 minute summary of the biggest innovations shaping the future. Final question: what do you think the cities of the future will look like? Call to action. Comment below with your vision for future buildings.